Mukbang. Well, today I am going to attempt to make, I saw Bloveslife make homemade chili her way on her YouTube channel. So I'm going to attempt to make it my way. You know, I might do some stuff different because, you know, I'm ghetto. So it's a Ghetto Mukbang. All stuff ain't name brand and all stuff ain't exactly how she had it. But I have ground meat, two types of seasoning salt, regular crackers, that's for topping if they want it, butter, sour cream, bouillon cubes, not Hormel chili because I said it's ghetto, so I have an off-brand chili. It tastes just the same. Off-brand stewed tomatoes with no salt, my brown sugar, my white sugar, my off-brand chicken broth, off-brand hot pork sausage, onions, all the beautiful bell peppers, salt and pepper, and I think that's about it. I'm cooking, and I might put in a few clips of what it looked like as I'm cooking it, and y'all will probably see me when I'm eating it. Peace out. Okay, guys, I got all my vegetables, and I'm mixing them, and I'm mad because while I was at the store getting my vegetables, trying to get everything, I forgot my green bell pepper. But I got the red, the orange one, and the yellow one, and the onion. But I forgot my green one. Trying to hurry up and rush and do what I had to do so I can make sure I don't miss the bus and come home. I forgot it. But stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I put the ground meat in and let it cook for a little bit. Sorry that you can't see really because of the steam, but it's looking pretty good. Smelling good in the house. But it always smells good in the house when I cook, so hey, stay tuned. I'm back, and I've added the chili. What I did different from what Beloved did was I drained my meat, and then I put my meat back in the pot and poured the rest of my what is that stuff called? Chicken broth in, and added more pepper. Salt and pepper. And now I'm just trying to mix this together. This chili, it smells so good. Y'all have no idea how good it smells. But yes, it smells delicioso. So good. I'm so ready to eat with crackers, cornbread. I haven't decided. Or Fritos, because I have Fritos left from my jambalaya that I made. So, we'll see. Oh, I'm ready to eat. Lord have mercy. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. And I was supposed to show y'all the tomatoes, the stewed tomatoes before I stirred them and incorporated them. But what I had to do, because to me they were just too big. See, look at that one. I'm going to have to crunch that one up. And cut that one up because I don't want big hunks of stewed tomatoes in my mouth. And I don't think my kids will either. So what I did was, I think I'm going to take it out and chop it up on my cutting board, but they're soft enough where I probably can just cut them on the side of the pot. But this is it. This is the finished product, and I'll tell y'all what I think of this finished product out now.
Hey babe, hey babe, hey babies, it's me, Momma Roslo, and guess what? I'm fabulous, period. Back with another mukbang video.
Thank you, kids. And we have
Unique Champagne.
It's Anna, baby. I want to eat. I almost picked my
we want to eat. And today, y'all, guess what? I have 500 subscribers. Boom. And you can call me Can't Get Right. That's why my kids said my intro, because for some reason, couldn't get right. I just couldn't say it. But today on the menu we have, oh, she's slow. We have Beloved's homemade chili. You know how she said she done it her way? Well, this is Bloveslife homemade chili done my way. You know I'm ghetto, so y'all, as y'all seen in the beginning of the video when I was making it. But anywho, I got 5 subscribers.
Comment down below if y'all be seeing the numbers change back here.
For real, because I wonder if they
if you watching this right now, comment. You, Susie, Anthony, Mark. I like fishing. Y'all comment down below.
I'm so sorry, y'all. Calling y'all names. But yeah, answer the question.
Anyways,
we're talking about
thumbnail.
Yeah, because I need to tell y'all how this tastes. I got everything. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Ew,
phone questions.
I feel like I kind of need more
Come on, y'all know.
That cornbread like
to the cracker.
Yeah, let me have it.
That's sour cream. Pop it up.
What the sour cream do is right?
Yes.
I don't know. It's chili good. Like.
Yeah, you need to say what you think. I think it's a
okay, y'all.
Rated 1 through 10. 10 being the best.
Okay. I think it's gonna be so good. And y'all, the other night I watched a video. I don't even know what the boy's name is. I can't call him out. He had the nerve to down talk Bloveslife sauce. I haven't had a sauce, so I couldn't tell y'all what it tastes like. But he had the nerve to down talk it, but he didn't do it like she said do it. You know how you gotta have the pickled ginger?
What was that noise?
What was?
Yes.
Okay.
What was that?
He was down talking B-Love sauce, talking about it's alright and this and that. But one of her main ingredients in her sauce is the ginger. Ginger, period. You know, garlic, ginger, peppers, all that good stuff she put. Pickled ginger is like one of the main ingredients in her sauce, right? He decided to take the ginger out and replace it with lettuce, cabbage, and celery. I think that's what he said.
Sauce?
In a seafood sauce, y'all. And then had the nerve to lie and say, wait till I find that boy name. I'm gonna find his name because I'm tagging him in. I don't care. You can say what you want to say. He had the nerve to say, this is what he said. He didn't try her sauce. This was his first time trying it. Right? This is what he said. This is what he said. And he made it his way by substituting this. And the whole time he was eating it, he was saying it was this alright, this, that. You know what I'm saying? Basically really down talking her sauce. But then he said that. But the boy I was watching did his research, and because B-Love spoke on that and was like, maybe you should just buy another pack and do it the way I said do it. You know, he made another video, and in this video, he had the nerve to say.
How'd you find the video? What did it say?
I don't know what I was doing. In this video, he had the nerve to say. In this video, he said he was saying that was his second time eating it. The first time he ate it, he did it like she said, and he didn't like it. So he decided to substitute. No, not him, because he likes it. He likes it. It's another dude with that he fools with. Him and another dude, they put that sauce. Blood sauce, and they put the sauce the boy made with the cabbage and lettuce and crap and celery side by side. They liked it, the celery one, but they liked B-Love's better. And it was like the celery one is more, it dilutes her sauce.
See, no, you want to taste
the
season,
my thing is this, why would you just put celery sticks in her sauce? It ain't cooked or nothing. Why would you do that? So they can have a crunch.
Well, she said you can make it however you want, but
that's what she said.
The preferred way is how she makes it.
Mixed.
It's how she makes it.
No, the one that did the bad review.
She always said, like in her video where she made her sauce on camera, she said you can make it however you want.
And she even shouted the man on her thing.
Yeah, you can make it however you want.
Him. It was him. Yup. It was him. It's alright.
This react to those comments, see?
Yeah, that's when he... And see, this is when he... I'm guessing finna try to clean up his stuff. Because in that video, when he first was eating her sauce, supposedly, that was his first time tasting it. But then you want to backdoor and say, you ate it... This was your second time eating because you made it like she made it and you didn't like it. So you decided to tweak it your way and say that was your first time tasting it. You're a liar.
The video?
That's him.
That's the video?
What's his name?
Nana, mama, no.
Why?
It's okay for him to have his opinion.
I'm gonna do it on my own. This
Just
is
like you have your opinion.
So am I doing nothing wrong?
This
This is my channel. If
You're a
I want to blast him, I can blast him.
Why would you blast him though?
Because I'm gonna be like, why you do that? You sit up there and lie.
Well, he lied. How you know he lied though?
He said that was his first. He gonna say that's his first time. Yeah.
Maybe he mishapped his wording.
Well, I'm gonna taste her chili.
The right way.
This not well. This is right
It's
way.
good.
Mama just got different brands of stuff, but she got everything Big Love had, right?
Right.
Minus one bell pepper you forgot.
That was it.
The green one. What would the green one have tasted like? They all taste the same, right?
No. The green one is, I think, more of a kick. The other one's almost a sweet. It's just different.
I thought all of them tasted the same.
And
It's good.
beloved, you have did it again. Y'all ain't saying nothing about what y'all think.
I like it.
Here you
On a
come
scale
on.
of 1 to 10?
With some questions, huh?
Scale of 1
1
to
to
10?
10, it's a 10.
It's a 10.
We love chili.
It's
This
good,
time.
3.
I'm not even going there.
He said 3.
It's a 3 for him because he don't like beans. That's
Yeah.
why.
No, I like it.
You don't like beans?
He just want attention then.
I'm not fond of the what you call beans. The ranch style ones. I don't like
They're
them.
my best ones for chili beans. Chili beans.
I'm not a fan.
Mm.
But if you make chili beans right, then I can eat it. Gotta have the right seasoning. Cause when you made them for Christmas, no, Thanksgiving, that was bomb.
That was rice beans.
But
That
when
was
you
rice
just,
beans, chili, and ground beef.
but you
seasoning.
know how when we used to like I don't think you did it in years. We used to just cook ranch style beans, like just put them in the pot, cook them.
I love
I don't like
ranch.
especially
them.
the ones with the jalapenos. Oh,
I don't like them like that.
but beloved, your way,
Where my phone?
quick way at that turned out pretty good.
Okay.
I
Y'all
really
ready?
like it.
Wait,
Yes.
what kind of questions we doing? Well, just ask
Yeah.
them.
What type of foreign foods have you tried? What is your favorite?
We've tried Indian food before. What is boudin is Indian.
Boudin.
Okay.
Yeah, boudin.
Boudin is it? Then
Yeah.
Boudin is good.
If I'm not mistaken. Let me retract before somebody try to come for me.
No. No. You're interrupting me. Bye. You're not getting my hot fries. No. Come get some of these Fritos. I write that. Go shut my room, though.
Yeah, I heard that one time. Why she just cuss me out like that? What's your favorite type of cheese? Do you like blue cheese? Yes, I like blue cheese.
Hell
My
no.
favorite is pepper jack.
Oh yeah, boudin is Indian food.
I hate
Pepper jack.
blue cheese. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Ain't blue cheese like ranch?
It's old. No,
No.
man. That's old
No.
cheese.
Blue cheese is blue, crumbly,
no,
and
no,
this
no.
is
It's
I never ate
aged
that.
cheese.
spoiled
It's
cheese.
aged.
Is what you call it.
That's basically it is.
Ugh. I tried, and I tried and tried. My favorite cheese is sharp cheddar cheese. Yours?
You already know mine. It's pepper
Say
jack. I said
Yeah, I
that.
see.
That's my favorite kind of cheese.
Yeah,
Sharp cheddar is
yeah.
good though. If you have like crackers and fruits, sharp cheddar is really good. A blend of all those. Like when I get them in the I don't like when you
donuts. Oh my God! Just
when
eat
you
it.
just be getting the block and I can't do that.
Jesus, good.
I tried to and it just made me. It's so strong.
It's so good. I really didn't know how this was gonna turn out, beloved, because baby, when I seen you add that brown sugar, white sugar, I was like, oh, I don't know about this. It blended well.
I wonder how that came along. Like, let me add this, let me add this, let me add this.
For real.
That's how she did it. That was her way.
Probably like
you know?
find her taste like.
But her taste bed is probably
She like flavor.
Yeah.
I need some more.
They got a lot of flavor too.
They really do. You gonna go get it?
I wish
No.
I had taste
Yeah,
buds like everybody else.
Well, ask my nigga just put
Mama, why did you put her on there like that?
Huh?
I just fell off.
I just looked like, what is wrong with her head? Crystal.
Oh, we all good out here.
Talking about my wig
You
head.
know, Chris.
She
She
going
look
to
like
retire.
she need to retire. Shit.
First of all, get off her because that's a good
Talk to
wig.
her.
That's a
Her
good
out of
wig.
her
Long baby
hair.
hair.
Boy, I'm whatever.
No, let's stop.
Yeah, let you stop.
Too cute.
It can't be too bad of a wig because when I wear it, people think that I went and got it
I
done.
know she looks stiff.
Because it's
It's not.
I haven't did it. It's been sitting on the weekend.
She look a little stiffer. She don't look like
So
she's
stop coming for
warm
her.
enough.
So stop coming for her.
Okay. Sorry, Alexa.
That ain't her name.
Crystal. Y'all, if y'all wonder what we're talking about,
My wig.
my daughter
My wig.
has a wig over her that she made herself.
And it's bomb.
In my opinion, she used to be bomb. She just need to go bring her back to life. That's all.
Duh. She just been
But
sitting
right
on
now,
the
while
weekend.
she's sitting there,
Yeah, she looks
she's
a
sitting there
mess.
with the gangster lean.
She look a mess.
Oh.
She need to be washed and took apart and everything. I need to remake her.
Can I bring you something?
I don't want that milk.
Why not? I get it free.
I'm good.
Can you give me something?
That's so serious.
Nah,
Wait,
I don't want none.
Oh, so, oh.
He be moving like he's
Because I was like, I didn't know what I was doing.
I gotta burp some space. Look at that tomato. Oh, it's gonna be so good when you eat it. And you didn't want them big. Them mugs hitting. It's like a juice almost like flavorful.
I need some of these too. No, not really.
Hey,
I'm putting all type of stuff here. Nick's gone to make him some food, y'all. Amen.
Yeah, go ahead and burp it down.
Darius, I feel you for that crunch, boy. Because Darius, his chili was lighter than mine.
He has
He had sour cream cheese on them oyster crackers, them little funny shaped crackers. Baby. I was like, oh, I bet you, Darius, this is so good. I bet you it is.
Y'all, what's B-Love kids named Darius and Dash?
Dalvin.
Dalvin. Who made the sauce? Somebody else that made a seafood sauce.
I don't know.
That B-Love tried on her channel.
That's, well, they ain't made no sauce for kids, have it?
Oh, well, then
That
it's
was,
somebody- I thought it was one of them.
oh my God, what is his name? Lips.
Lipsy?
No, his name
It's
started
something-
D.
Oh, that's Damon Dash Eats. He has a sauce.
Yeah.
And she also tried okay, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering your name, but it's the one that be talking about comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. And that's what they be doing. Because I do watch him. Lips. I think it's called Lips hot sauce. Lips. Yeah.
I want to try the Damon Dash Eats ones.
That's what he be doing. Oh my God, what is it? Come up. Bro, something ain't right. Am I all the way down? I am. I don't know. We usually be right. Come on. You good?
Maybe you need to scoot over some more.
No, okay. No, he good. He in there. As long as he in there.
What is some?
Okay, come on.
What
push.
are some typical foods from your home country? Country.
Pizza, burgers, hot dogs, nachos.
That's American. In general.
That's in general. What are you talking
From my
about?
home country.
Beans.
That's
chicken,
not a
hot
typical
dog.
meal. Beans?
No.
Yeah. I said it right, y'all. I said it right.
Apple pie. Good at
That's not a meal.
I eat apple pie.
Not all the time. A meal. A typical meal. Something
No,
that's
he's about to say
It
don't
is
nobody
not
eat
foods.
apple pie at all.
It's that food.
Oh,
I
y'all.
eat apple pie.
I had the
Nobody eat cheesecake.
ugh.
Ugh.
Cheesecake nasty.
Ain't nothing wrong with no
Cheesecake is
cheesecake.
this.
Cheesecake is
That's how it
what?
look.
No, it don't.
good.
It's white.
That's how it look.
Cheesecake is white.
Cheesecake
What the
is
kind
good.
he eat is white. Do all cheesecake look like that?
Oh.
Oh, what I was about to tell you. Apple pie, you know how they have those little apple pies from, McDonald's and stuff. I never tried them. I've never had apple pie, period.
Girl,
When I went to Chicago,
it's pasty.
It's
like this.
like a different kind of like different kind
It's
of
a
ice
grit
cream.
texture.
Yeah.
It's a
I
grit,
don't like
yeah.
that.
Like cornbread grit. That's what I call it.
The only good thing about
Nothing
cheesecake,
like that.
Yes, it is
No, I
when,
don't like
you
it.
fixing the cornbread. That.
Yeah. When you fix
Yeah,
the
when you
cornbread.
fix, not when you cook it.
Yeah.
When you fix
When you
it.
fix it, yeah.
That shit.
I don't like it.
It'd be a crunch with a
With
filling.
crunch.
I don't like stuff with filling because I don't like stuff oozing out. But that apple pie that I had in Chicago, I don't know if it's just the people that cook different, but that mug was so bomb. Oh my God.
Hey. He hates it.
Granny
I already
stayed
know.
by that.
And it's
mine is
bomb.
still that. I still eat that up though.
The best, who we done had that made their own
You
pecan
got that
pie
apple
before?
from
It
the
was good.
round table.
Nobody. I would say bought pecan pie.
I know
And
somebody
Sonny
that
can
made
make some
pecan pie.
good pecan pie. My stepdad and Lucas, he can make some good pecan
Big
pie.
Granny Jackie make pecan pie?
I don't remember.
I know
It might have
somebody
been
made
fun.
some whole pie.
It might have been
Had to
fun.
be. Somebody made some home cooked pie. Some pecan pie. I don't think it was that pie.
And y'all, Grandma Jackie, she made.
Milk cake.
Oh my God.
What? Milk
Milk,
cake?
that's what you was gonna say?
Yes.
Milk cake?
Milk cake.
Oh my God.
And I don't
What is
even
that?
like milk.
Oh my God. I don't even know how to
I don't even know how to explain
How do
it.
it taste? What do you like?
It was like a caramel milk. Oh my God.
I don't even like milk.
Cheesecake.
And
No. Hell no.
it was moist.
Then ice and how it was just sitting on top of
No,
it.
Miss Marie cinnamon cake. That's cinnamon.
Honey bun cake. No,
cake.
that's not Miss Marie. Sorry.
Whose
but
is
that's-
it?
That was there way before.
Yeah, but when she make it, it's
Yeah,
bomb.
when she make
Honey
it-
bun cake. When
She can make it
it's
with
bomb.
the raisins, without the raisins. I'm gonna eat it. Just give me some ice cream and we gonna call it a day.
and melt it. Have it fresh. Have that cake fresh and sit
Girl,
there.
I need to make one of them.
Nick said
And
he
did
don't
you know
remember honey
it's
bun
sour
cake.
cream in a
I
honey
know,
bun
don't
cake?
tell me.
Huh?
Sour cream in a honey bun cake?
Come
A lot
on,
of
you
people
supposed to be
don't know.
asking us questions.
He be on social media.
Oh, I got a question. Wait. When you buy food, do you read the label? What information can you find on the label? I don't.
Ingredients?
Sodium. How much sodium
I
is
do
in
not
it?
read the label.
But I don't read it, but that's what's in there. And if you want to learn how to cook anything,
YouTube.
besides YouTube,
I need to hear this.
just follow the instructions. Most stuff I have the instructions on the bag, on the box.
Some
People talk
stuff.
about I don't know how to cook this. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to I can't make hamburger help. I can't make this. If you turn that box, bag, or whatever over, it's gonna give you the exact instructions on what to do. When you become good at it, that's when you tweak it and make it your own.
Some people
Example.
can try to come and say, I don't know what happened. I followed the instructions, and it still come out wrong. And they follow.
That shit. You do.
I am. I'm eating it slow. I'm waiting for another question.
Put it on
I
top
am.
of it.
I don't know about
Yeah,
you.
you put you in it. Talking about we eat.
Do you enjoy seafood? What is your favorite? Snow crabs.
Fish.
No crabs. I have not. And guess
Did
what,
you
y'all?
hear him? What'd you
I've
say?
never
Snow
had
crabs. I
lobster.
ate it once.
Oh.
I have never had.
That's your favorite though? You only had it
Seafood?
one
I've
time.
never had lobster tail.
Yeah, but it's good. And shrimp.
I've never had lobster tail,
How
y'all.
thought you gonna say that?
I haven't. Because y'all was talking. But I haven't.
That's the
And my
best.
son and my daughter say that shit
I had lobster,
is
yeah.
good.
Who said that?
Nick and Queen say
Okay.
lobster is good. I've never had lobster.
Mama, didn't you eat lobster when we went to?
No,
We didn't
ma'am.
get lobster.
I
We
got
crawfish.
snow. No,
and
I
snow crab.
didn't. I got snow crab and shrimp.
No, I'm saying I didn't I get that in my bag.
Now one else got no crawfish.
Crawfish?
Oh,
Yes,
yeah,
we did.
Queen. One of us got crawfish.
Cause
You might have got them.
and I gave them to Queen. I tried, y'all. I can only eat fish. I literally have tried shrimp. It's disgusting. I've tried my hardest to eat.
And I don't know why you
Some
can't
lobster.
eat snow crab, because snow crab meat, it don't even got no taste.
Yeah,
What?
you a whole lie.
Snow crab don't got no taste. Snow crab tastes like water. It's the seasonings that make the snow
No.
crab.
Snow crab tastes like the bottom of the sea. Yeah.
Crabs
eat.
is surface water.
But
Surface of the water.
Not crab. I ain't trying to hear it. That stuff is nasty. I'm not trying to hear
that
it.
stuff is the
But y'all know what's funny? I went
crab.
to.
Oh my god, I want to try, but I have not tried the big ones, the king crabs.
I heard
I'm ready.
Good.
Nate, is you ready?
Yeah.
You know what's
I am
good?
so ready.
I'll try some
Oh,
snow
yeah.
I
crab.
did not miss my
I want to eat the
nigga.
claw.
I'll try some snow crab and like king crab and stuff. If I eat it in Bloveslife sauce and it don't taste like it, but if I eat it in some butter or what, I'm not doing it. I'm just not gonna be able to do it. When we went to Louisiana Crab Shack, that fish that I had, it tasted like the sea, but it was amazing.
Because it was that was catfish
What you
fillets
eat?
too. Catfish fillets.
That what you just said?
hmm
Oh.
But it tasted
was
like
so
it tasted
seasoned.
super fishy, and I don't like
But
super
it's like
fishy.
she looked past the fish
Because it
the
was so
flavor.
They
good.
probably said salt, pepper.
They did a lot.
They did a lot. It had stuff like a
green
sauce
cilantro
sitting
all
on it.
it.
It had a sauce sitting on it when it came out to me. I was like,
I was in her plate and in my plate. Steady popping them snow crabs open. So I'm like, Lord help me.
I said I should have got that fish to come home. Well, I had a few pieces in the bag.
I had a whole lady. A whole
A
claw. Came home about 2 or 3 hours later.
You know what else I want to try?
Out of there.
Mussels. When B-Love eat mussels,
Oh,
I be like, oh my
God.
God. She be talking about, I be
And
like,
I'm
wow, it looks so
And
good.
scallops.
Scallops
And
look like that,
Scallop.
though. You had scallops?
Not scallop
Not
potatoes.
Oh.
I thought that too, but then I realized that it was a seafood.
Yes. Not no potato. No.
But when she eat mussels, it kills me every time. I be like, ooh, that looks so good.
I want to know what that
What is she
is.
sucking out? Meat? It's meat in there. The goods did a.
It's a
you don't
tongue
watch
of
it.
a clown. Mussels?
Uh-huh.
I don't
That
know, but
meat
I want
is
to
a
sure taste it. The green one, the green one is a big one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I want to taste it. I'm gonna taste it too.
Brina.
Yeah.
Knocking at the door.
But the goods did a seafood boil. She just posted one yesterday. It was either yesterday or the day before yesterday. And
This food good. as hell.
she was eating everything y'all say y'all like. She didn't have no fish. And she picked up a mussel, and I had only ever seen B-Love eat a mussel. Diamond picked up, she was like, and she was eating it, she was talking about how she like oysters and stuff like that. And she was like, I think I like mussels better than, and she was just pulling and she was just eating it, like stuff, and I was like, oh my God, it looks so good. Now when I taste it, it's gonna be disgusting probably, but it looked good.
You got to clear your mind because the shit looks weird.
It don't. It looks appealing to
No,
me.
it don't.
It looks like exotic, like fun.
No.
A shell with meat on the inside.
I have to see it. And they had them
I know.
at the crab thingy.
I seen them people eat them.
Was like,
And then them little kids. I feel like if I would have got started on a lot of seafood when I was young, I probably would have ate it. Cause that little baby was tearing that seafood up. That was behind us. That kept looking at you. His daddy was popping them things up and he was dipping in that meat, eating it. I was like, good for you. 'Cause I can't. I
you
can't.
see me, I wasn't playing no game.
I can't. He was just.
Then it was just looking at me, I was clap, clap. I'm talking about who? Where's the knuckle of the snow crab? Give me the knuckle, because I know the knuckle got a lot of meat.
Is there any meal which you habitually skip?
Habitually?
Habitually.
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 No,
That's how you
okay.
say it.
Habitual.
Is there any meal that you skip?
Breakfast?
I know.
Breakfast.
Lunch.
And I'm not supposed to. I skip breakfast.
You like to eat fast food? What is your opinion of fast food?
I
I
don't
eat fast food.
Yes,
Yeah,
No,
because
not
of work,
often.
and I don't usually
Oh, well,
take food to work.
You do?
we do.
I don't remember the last time I ate.
That's because you ain't had no money.
Yeah. Often.
but-
Well,
If
My
you think
opinion
about
of
it,
fast
we do.
food is fries, burgers, Bush's, McDonald's.
My favorite fast food?
Greasy.
Taco Bell.
something that's greasy
What
and
meals are
fresh that
typically
you...
eaten at special days in your country? At Christmas, Easter, etc.
Christmas,
Christmas,
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving, New Year's Eve.
What type of foods?
Oh.
What meals are
Turkey,
typically eaten?
dressing, black eyed peas, ham, neck bones, turkey necks, turkey legs.
Nobody know neck bones on no holiday.
Uh-huh.
What Like what? On what
New
holiday?
Year's.
They eat neck bones on New Year's?
Yes. If I could have made them on Thanksgiving, I would have
Would have
did.
been smelling
On
like breath
Christmas.
all up in this house.
Baby, bye.
They smell just like somebody hot breath.
That was her, my daughter think, but my other daughter, Miracle.
Miracle is the one that made
she
me realize
loves
that it
them.
smells like that. When she used to come down to be like, it smells like breath in here. Mama must be cooking neck bones. Then I realized, I was like, oh my gosh, it actually does smell like breath.
I don't know what y'all smelling.
Slobber.
No, you go.
Yeah. And Okie smell
Smell
like
like slobber.
it smell good to you when it's cooking? It smell like seasonings? It smell like hot. But he say everything smell like
Please, really do.
No.
like he was smelling. Smells like Or if I swear a perfume that he don't know and he don't like the smell, it smell like slobber.
I don't understand.
I never understood where he got that from. And he said that for He been saying that for so long.
I don't get it. I don't get it at all. He said that for everything.
It don't smell good to him. It smell like slobber.
You ready?
Yes.
Do you take any action Do you take any actions to consume less salt? Do you think people should reduce their salt intake? Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
He does more than us. He is what I say he was?
Sensitive to salt.
Really
His taste buds are real sensitive to salt.
to salt. I mean, I could put just a damn. Just
salty.
damn. And
Do it again.
damn.
Oh,
Just a damn of salt. And he'll know. It's a little salty.
I think that I shouldn't eat as much salt as I do, but I like salt.
That's greener.
She's doing the most.
I like salty salts.
No, I don't want salt to where I'm gritting my teeth.
No, not like that. But my food, I like
That
salt. Fish
you be
don't
cooking.
come for me.
What the heck? Like
It don't be salty.
Too
Yes.
salty, Nana.
First of all, you never even had my fish,
Just
the
you
hot
and
kind.
You was alive.
No, you haven't. You don't even like the hot kind. So you never eat
But
it.
I have had it.
I ain't got no complaints from nobody else, so it ain't too salty. It ain't too salty.
She's salty right now.
It ain't too salty. He just the salt police, and she just, I don't even know. She never even had my fish.
I have.
Mama, no, you have not.
I don't even like to cook after you when you cooking it in that
Because
grease.
it's spicy. It ain't salty.
It's spicy and salty.
I only use that packet, which is the same
That
packet you told me
shit
about.
is
Thank you.
salty.
And
That's why
Now,
I
when
don't
she
just
try
use
to-
it. I mix.
yeah,
So
I
I even it out.
I mix it.
Okay.
Maybe that's
Next
why y'all think it's too
question.
salty, because I coat with all seasoning.
Do you
We
think?
know.
Do you
Yeah,
think
and
that?
We know you got a heavy hand with it.
No, I don't. Don't
Ready?
do that. I ain't sure.
Y'all ready?
I ain't gonna cook nothing for you ever. Ever.
You'll be all right. I'll be all right.
You ready?
We waiting on her
Or
to
you
tell us.
salt police.
We are waiting.
Come on.
Is you through?
Yeah.
Okay. She is salty.
Spicy.
Come on now.
Do you think?
Work on your anger.
Yes, 2020.
Whatever.
Salty.
Yes. Do you think that a vegetarian diet could be healthy? In what ways do you think it might be good? And in what ways bad?
That's vegan, right?
Yes, Nana.
Vegan and vegetarian is different. I
It's
don't
the
know the
same
difference.
thing. It's
No,
a
it
short
is
for
not.
vegans.
No, it's
No,
not.
it ain't. No,
I don't
sir.
know the difference. I have to know the
It's
difference.
short for
Vegetarian,
Yeah.
okay, they don't eat meat. We get it. They eat a lot of vegetables. But vegan?
No animal products, right?
We're
No,
talking about vegetarian. No.
Oh, well, I could
I'm
be
on-
a vegetarian.
I think I could.
I could be a vegetarian.
No, what is it? I'm
What
listening
is
to
that?
your ass.
Do you think that a vegetarian diet could
Yes.
be healthy?
Yes,
Yes.
it can.
Yes.
If you do it the proper way, yes, it can.
What's up,
Somebody
no?
out.
Gang?
Walter, it ain't somebody with that.
Somebody in
We
there.
love to you, but I have nothing to do with it. Nothing at all.
I know y'all hear them dogs.
Yeah.
You turn the light off on them too?
Did you make sure he can't get out that hole again? Because
Yeah.
they be jumping out that hole. They bad. And Brad, I seen them when one day I seen them in the living room when they had the box in the living room. I was coming out the room. Ginger was already out the box. And Brownie was holding that little flap down, and everybody else was trying to jump out. I said, I know he ain't trying to help everybody get out this box. And so I pushed it back up. I come back from in there. I said, look at him. He holding that thing. I said, look at him. He was trying to pull it down. Then when he got it down, everybody started jumping up. And I said, you think you slick? You letting everybody out this box, and y'all roaming around. Ginger was in the den, and Brownie was holding that flap down, making sure everybody could get out. I said, he bad.
Next question for this video.
Why is junk food called junk?
Because it's not healthy for your body. Next.
Is there a difference between junk food and fast food? If so, what is it?
Junk food to me is sweet food. Fast food is hamburgers, quick stuff at like Sonic, McDonald's.
So what's chips?
That's my opinion.
What's chips to you?
To me, it's junk food.
Chips?
Chips is junk food to me.
It's not fast food.
Yeah, it's really not.
Yeah, okay.
Hamburger, fast food.
If you had to choose between junk food and your health, which would you go for?
My health.
Be a hard choice.
Why is that even a question? Why is tasty popular?
What do you mean? The Facebook people tasty?
Because their food, for the same. You sure
I think that's who they talking about.
Tasty.
That's what they is. Gotta be. Because
they make some bomb food on that channel.
To have you stuck looking at video after video, and then they make it so fast.
And you could be like, I can do that.
I could do that. And then they make it with the simplest things, like that sausage and biscuit. Oh my God, with the gravy and eggs. Oh my God.
You ever seen that?
They made
it's not the muffin thing. Have y'all seen the one that's the muffin thing?
Yes,
Y'all got a new
pizza
question.
rolls. They do it all.
Why is it said to be bad for us?
What?
Junk food.
Because it's
not
unhealthy.
good.
It's clogging up your organs.
It has so many calories, a lot of
It
salt.
clogs up. It causes
Read what's on the back of your bag and tell me
high
if you know
in
what
sugar.
everything is in it.
High in sugar, high in cholesterol,
Read the ingredients
high
and tell
in
me
salt.
if you can say everything and tell me what it is.
99% protein.
Ingredients.
0%
Why you do
fat.
that? I don't want to hear them take all day to read it.
Yeah, but I'm saying, like, he said, why is it good? That's why. We don't even know what's all the ingredients. We can't say all that. We don't know what that is.
You can't even say.
I can. Corn, flaming hot Cheeto seasoning, cheddar cheese, milk cheese, culture, salt. There it is, right there.
No, it was a lot more words on that paper.
I read somewhere that hot Cheetos are not good for you. They made out of cardboard. And you can set one on fire. You can set one on fire. I set a hot chip on fire yesterday just to see. And it lit.
Wow.
It lit. And then I had to blow it out. No.
Why was she smoking?
I ate it afterwards to see what it would taste like. It was nasty. It was nasty. Remember, it was like, eat it. You said, eat it. And I did. It was nasty.
Well, you know, y'all used to eat dirt when y'all was little. You.
I never ate
and
no
Queen
dirt.
and AJ.
Whatever.
Okay.
I ain't eat no dirt.
Yes, you did.
You know what Queen used to eat, though?
Y'all ate dirt and y'all boogers. It was nasty little kids.
First of all, don't do that. Because we did not eat no dirt or boogers.
Okay, I got one. Do you think the following are junk food? Yes or no? Commercially produced pizza.
What does that mean?
Junk food.
What does that mean?
Commercial
Junk food,
pizza.
A pizza that you would buy at H-E-B.
Commercial
No.
produce hamburgers.
Yeah.
Junk food.
Commercial like McDonald's.
Mass produced.
No.
Is that what that is?
Probably.
Okay, well, so, hold up.
Like
That
an ad or
means
commercial
fast
about
food,
McDonald's.
both of them.
Yeah.
My first two, fast food.
No, it's not saying fast food or junk food. It's saying junk food. Yes or no?
No.
Oh, well, that's,
I don't say junk food.
Okay.
I'm going to call it junk food.
Mass produced sandwiches. I guess like Subway.
No.
No, that's healthy.
Okay, not
That's healthy.
not Subway.
Because I know my sandwiches be fat as hell.
Chocolate.
Junk.
Fried chicken. Chocolate.
Yeah, junk.
Fried chicken.
No.
Which one?
No, he repeated it for me.
Okay.
Chocolate, yes.
is junk food. Fried chicken?
No.
That's unhealthy.
Is it junk food?
No. Junk is snacks, you said. So go with what junk food is.
Not all the time.
Yeah,
Fried chicken is junk food. Because they grease. They grease.
That
I'm
is
telling
not
you.
junk food.
Ice
This
cream.
is junk food.
Junk food.
Fish and chips.
Healthy.
You know what?
Okay, catching a Charlie horse, y'all, man. We finna cut this video.
Where you catching a Charlie horse?
In my toes.
Sit up right.
Keep the question going.
Sit up right.
I'm trying to stop and doing my toes like I'm sitting there doing my toes like this. Oh Lord, this is what happens when you don't drink enough water. And my son constantly tell me drink water.
Speaking of water, how much water do you drink every day? Do you set?
You supposed to drink 8 ounce glasses of water a day.
8 bottles of water.
8 ounce glasses of water a day. 4 to 5 bottles of water a day. That's what you.
Mama.
I'm being for real. I hate water, but it's a new year.
The best way to drink it is let it get ice cold.
Just drink the water. Come on now.
Let it get ice cold.
My water tastes like bleach.
I can't drink.
I'm like the kids now. The water tastes like bleach. I
agree with this. Do you think there is any difference? Do you think there is any difference between bottled water and tap water?
Yes.
Yes.
Bottled water.
I hate tap water. That's the whole reason.
Tap water tastes like lead.
I don't know what lead tastes like, but
metal.
Yeah.
Like you got metal in your mouth. I don't know.
I like fresh water. Do you finish the? Okay, I got a question because me and Nick do this. I don't know if Mama do it. Do you finish the bottom of your drink? Like, say you were drinking out of that. Do you drink the whole thing? You drank the whole thing, Nick?
It just depends on how thirsty I am. Because sometimes I'll have it and I'll think that's slopper.
Exactly. Yes.
I say it's so many germs at the bottom of this bottle.
I don't backwash. I don't know how many sips I don't backwash.
I don't know
backwash. That went back in there. Some of that went back in there. I don't care.
Yeah.
You may say it like when you turn that drink up and you turn it back down, some of the molecules in your mouth, germs and don't went back in there.
Now you
and just think of how many times you done drunk it.
Yeah.
That little shit that be that's
slobber. He gonna say.
Yeah, you already got me.
He was like,
he gonna go deep, y'all. He gonna be looking at that water. I can't drink this much of the water, y'all.
I never finish my water bottles, my can of sodas.
I just drink my water bottles all at once anyway.
Yeah, he do.
And you know how we can tell if Nick left a water bottle around the house? If it's crunched up. He hold his bottle like this and drink it and squeeze it down.
I don't know. Squeeze it down.
He just
drink it.
Hold it like he ain't got no squeeze.
I just drink it like, I don't know.
Squeeze.
Yeah, I got 500 subscribers. And I did that like in one and a half day. Because I'm bad to the bone. Hey. Next foot. Oh, I need to drink some water.
You get it old.
I need to drink some water.
How much coffee, tea, or other drinks do you consume?
What?
How much coffee, tea, or other drinks do you consume? You go first, Mama.
Do you think these drinks are healthy?
Okay, you asked how many questions you just asked?
It's 2.
What did you say?
How much
coffee, tea, or other drinks do you consume? Do you think they are healthy?
Can you shut up and let me answer the first?
No, answer the first.
I drink a lot of soda, tea and juices. I do not drink waters. And that is so unhealthy.
Yeah, yes.
No, we gotta answer it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I drink a lot of water. And a
You
lot of
damn.
Oh, yes, I do drink water. I fill up this cup all the time. Don't even.
You know what?
Yes,
I don't
it's
have
water.
time.
It's water.
I drink
I
water.
drink it ice cold.
He's the water
But
king.
when I run out, if I'm at work, I just swipe for a soda. But that's never the case.
No, I'm done. Okay, so we decided that Bloveslife homemade chili made her way, which I made my way, is the bomb. It's good. I got a nice size pot of it in there, and it was cold today, so that really hit the spot, huh? Mm-hmm. It really hit the spot because it's been drizzling all day and all of that goody icky stuff. So tell me what y'all think of my video. Guess what? I got 500 subscribers. I'm working on 600 subscribers, and I have with me
unique champagne in his mouth.
Okay, unique champagne in this mukbang, and
it's Anna, baby.
I told y'all she's slow.
It's Anna, baby.
I told y'all
what
she's
she was
slow.
doing in the last video?
Oh yeah, go look at that last video, baby. I put a circle around her head. Y'all will see what she do. Oh, you ain't seen nothing. Go watch that video. But she's a very animated character. But
not all the time.
I'm gonna need y'all to like,
comment,
subscribe,
and share. And hit the bell. I ain't said that yet. Hit the bell. Because I'm telling you, I got stuff for you. And then tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, a friend, a friend, a friend, of everybody. Tell you, Grandma ain't it? Yes. About me. Mama Roslo. And I'm fabulous. Period. And we out.